Hey guys, Shri here. So, as you all know, tomorrow's New Year, and currently I'm doing nothing. Just was about to go live on my channel. I also do gaming too. So yeah, I was about to go live, but then I thought of idea that tomorrow's New Year and I'm doing literally nothing, just getting bored. So how about we make a website which will give a message of Happy New Year. Alright, that would be creative. Alright, I'm gonna make it using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It would be simple, very simple, and I'm gonna showcase what are the codes I'm about to write. You can write it too, and you can make it make a similar web page of your own, so that you can share it to your loved ones. Alright, but I'll also push this into a link so that you can share that link, and when they will click the button, the Happy New Year message will pop up. Alright, so yeah, let's begin. Before we start, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, Happy New Year to all you guys. Alright, I'm gonna post this video at exactly midnight or at 9 p.m. on 31st night, so that people can watch this on 1st January. So first of all, what we're gonna do here is make a HTML file, and then we're gonna make a CSS file, and also we're gonna make a JavaScript file. Alright, we're gonna connect it all together at the end. First of all, let's first write the basic HTML programs, HTML codes, and yeah, I'm gonna give it a meta charset UTF-4 as usual. These are the basic guys. Alright, and then I'm gonna give it a title of Happy New Year right here, 2024. If you want to see all the codes properly, then you can just pause it, or you may reduce the speed of the video. Alright, but yeah, this video is a bit fast forwarded in, I guess, 2x, so that it can end, you can watch it completely. Alright, and then we're gonna make a button of pop-up button. Alright, click me for a surprise. Yeah, that's all. That's it. Then we're gonna make it a keep it under a class of pop-up, and then write a paragraph. Alright, what we are trying to do in here is, when we will click the pop-up button, the message Happy New Year 2024 and exclamation mark, it will pop up. Alright, now then we have to write the basic CSS code. I'm gonna give it give background a blue violet for now, and then okay, let's go sans serif, and display flex, justify content center, align, we're gonna keep it to center, and height we're gonna keep it to 15 VH, 150 VH, and then margin 0. Then now working on the button, first we're gonna keep a padding of 20 and 30px, and then font size 20px. Then we're gonna keep a border of 2px solid black, and then give it a border of a radius 1px. Then background color background color yellow, and color black. Cursor, we're gonna keep it a pointer. Alright, what a pointer is, it is just like, it would be a hand-shaped cursor. Alright, and then we're gonna keep the button hover. It's kind of a button hover is basically the animation part. Alright, we're gonna keep her scale about transform scale of transition scale of 0.3 seconds. Then pop-up display and now we're gonna work on our pop-up. When the message will pop up Happy New Year 2024, how it will display. We're gonna keep the display content and position fixed. Alright, wait, I should change the display to none. Alright, when I'll change the display to none, it will show nothing, but when we click on the button, it will show us 2024. I did a mistake there by writing content, but I'll change it at the end. Let's just continue. Right, now we're gonna keep it 2px solid. Alright, and there we go. Text line is centered. Now last pop-up here was margin 0, font size let's keep 30px, and now let's work on our JavaScript. For now, let's keep document gate element. Oh, come on, wait, I'm doing it really fast, so that's why I'm making a lot of mistake there. Don't mind it. Alright, I'm gonna show you the perfect codes towards the end of the video. Don't worry. Alright, and yep, here we go. We got all the three codes right here. So here's our codes are ready, and as you can see, what are the changes I've done to the HTML? First of all, I have added an image SRC, as you can see, to the Happy New Year pop-up. All right, so when it will pop up Happy New Year, it will also show a GIF with it or an image with it. And in CSS, I have added an GIF to the background of the websites, to make it look a little, attractive. All right, so it won't look dead. Now, what is the work of JS right here? Let me show you what is the work of JS. So we'll just quickly run it, and as you can see right here, this is our web page, and this is the background GIF I put. And now what JS does here is it added animation to the button. So when I scroll the pointer on the button, it will just pop up a bit. All right, now let's go and click this, and here we go. Happy New Year 2024. This is really simple. All right, you can make your own changes. You can add some other videos, your personalized videos, or anything you want. All right, this is how I made it simply. So yeah, that is all. So yeah, that is all for today, guys, and I hope you like this. And if you like this, make sure to like this video too, and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Comment down what more specification I could add to it to make it more make it look more good and friendly. I mean, yeah, this is just a simple one. I made it in less than 10-15 minutes. All right, so suggest me some ideas, and I hope you all have a really happy new year. And once again, Happy New Year 2024. Bye bye.